Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is MSG Fashion World. This is an illustration on how to guide you on this amazing two-piece. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Welcome back guys. This is MSG Fashion World. This is the laying down of the fabric where we input our body measurements. Then we measure full length, full trouser length. Then we go in with our waistline, the waistline of 30 divided by 4, that is 7.5. Then we went in with our hip measurement. Our hip is 42. 42 divided by 4 is 10.5. Then adding your crotch measurements, which is 2.5. Then from there, this is not your regular palazzo trouser. This is a palazzo trouser, like a bongo trouser as they call it. So we snatch it to the waistline, give it the curve that it deserves. So as it is, you're seeing the line as it's being curved. Then the other side too, we make sure we had to curve it. Can you see? Can you see what you're getting? At the end of the day, we cut it out. We cut out our trouser. This is the cutting. And after the cutting, we placed it, give it a proper cut. Then we go ahead to place it to get the back pattern. Place it to get the back pattern. So guys, please, if you're finding this video interesting, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Hey guys, this is the front pattern. It's called basket A-line top. This is the placement of how you're going to cut it out. This is the front side. After then, you make sure you put in your body measurement, your shoulder, then your neckline, then your bust area, and you snatch it to the downside. After then you cut it out. Then make after making a proper cutting, you place it on the other fabric to cut out the back pattern, the back side. After then you cut out your neckline. After your neckline, then you go in with the basket pattern that you see on the neck side, on how you actually want it. For my, after cutting the neckline, I cut out the shape of the basket on it to give it a proper fitting. Then after then we come into the using the paper, the pattern that you use in cutting it, to sew it on the sewing machine so it will have a very neat. Please don't forget to follow me, like and subscribe more to my channel for amazing videos like this. Thank you guys.